My dear brothers and sisters, and dear friends, today we're going to create a strawberry blueberry chia seed pudding to celebrate high summer. So we begin as we have so many times before. We add spring water to a blender. And then a heaping tablespoon of our alive organic almond butter. And then chia seeds, a wonderful thickener. Let's use them. Okay. And then why not some of our walnut butter? It's so delicious. And recently people have become aware of the wonderful health-giving benefits of walnuts. And of course they're all the more available in the finely divided form of a walnut butter. So heaping tablespoon of walnut butter, one of our most popular creations, next to almond butter. So let's blend that up. And now the fun part, our sweeteners, Vermont maple syrup, a wonderful local honey, and then some medjool dates, our living tree alive organic medjool dates that I have chopped up into small pieces to facilitate things, and some wonderful California blueberries. We're so blessed to be here. California is a cornucopia of fruits and nuts and berries and vegetables. It supplies most of the vegetables for all of the United States during wintertime. And all this in the Great Central Valley, once an inland sea, bordered on the east by the towering Sierra Nevada mountains and on the west by the coastal mountain range. Very, very special, very gracious and magnificent land to be in. So we have our medjool. And of course, our strawberries, California grown and organic and alive, but of course, So here we have it, and let's top it with some So here you have it. It's too easy, is it not? You have a wonderful chia seed, strawberry, blueberry dessert. I'm sure it tastes magnificently and so easy to prepare. So let us go forward, brothers and sisters, to higher and higher states of aliveness. The world is begging for vivacity. The world is begging for recreation, for renewal, and for rejuvenation. So let us go forward on to redemption. My privilege to share. Let us hear your likes, your comments, and your suggestions. We treasure them so much, and you might want to hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you. A privilege to share. Let us go forward.